What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority. And for today I got out here safety glasses, and there's a flashlight, eyebrows, and there's another button to where I can turn it off and off. It will not automatically turn off unless you do it right here. Also you can adjust it, different moods. That's hilarious. So what happened here? Oh yeah, there's a placeable, it could be dark. But yeah, that's kind of concerning how easy that is. Pops out. Because it's supposed to be safety glasses. Either way, I guess it's more of like a flashlight glasses. Okay, let's see what else we got. I got it here camping cards. Let's see what they all about. It's a tent on top of the camping card. I like that it takes apart because it becomes really small. Plug in the legs. Plug in the sleeping bed. Unplug it in, now it's not going to come off. Next we have two buttons, open that and then just plug it in. And then put it together and locks it in, super easy. Lock it up. Wow, it's a lightweight too. Woo. Oh. Very durable too, maybe get like a blow up mattress for it. Okay, we have right here antenna looking thing. No, this is in case it's hot but lots of mosquitoes, we can do that. Oh wow. Yeah, definitely, like once I know how to do it, I could probably set it up and break down this tent in 30 minutes. Okay, this is what it looks like. All pegged up on two sides and pegs on this side. It's adjustable. Boom, maybe tighten on this side. Look at that, that looks comfortable. I might leave it out here to play, sleep, enjoy the view. Fantic cardboard cutter, check this out. Spins really good. There's the how much power left, up and down, and then there's eco and max. We are obviously going to use it on max unless you cut in something small, but let's start. Just press the safety button and the spin. It is double. Look how fast it goes. So if you need to cut a bunch of cardboard, super powerful, and it can cut fast. Love it. Also comes with replaceable blades. Super good. I can get a lot of cardboards with all the online orders. This is definitely going to be useful. Check out this flashlight by Nikon, 500 lumens. I need my knife to unbox it. There you go. So this is something very unique. There's a flashlight with a clip and it's magnetic on this side, but what's nice about it, you can open it and shine it somewhere. So let's say you're changing the tire, you can put it on the car and flip it any direction. Also it comes with one of these and it slides in, so I can put it back like a regular flashlight and slide it into here, into stop, if I could figure it out. Oh, there's a pointed arrow, I did it upside down. Boom. And then which way? This way. So don't put it all the way, come on, we want to hear the click. Oh, my camera moving out here too, what a fail. Okay, let's put it on, and the cool part is I can go up and down right here to point it up and down, or I can put it to the side. Let's say it's so hot I could keep wearing a hat, maybe it doesn't fit this way. Maybe I could keep wearing a hat like this and protect my bald head from sun, and because there's a light on this side I can put it next to me and still have a light and still have a cap, or for any reason there's on and on button. But yeah, there you go, there's a flashlight on this side, up and down, in case you want it to the side. Oh, there you go. and it's really bright. There you go. Now it's on, and boom, you can point it out, still work, and it's still right where my hands are. Super nice, and I actually don't care that it's here. Well, why would I be having sun? Maybe I have some kind of bump head, like a protector head in the basement, and still need a light on the side right here. That would work. Or a regular one without a head. You can put it on and point it this way. It's a really cool option, and it's up and down like this. Headlamps are the best because I have 3 hands now, and this one is super unique. You can just twist it like this, put it to the side, and point it anywhere I want to. Work Pro box opener, and look how easy it is to replace the blade. So there's a button, push on it and open it. That is such a good idea. A lot of times there's bolts out here. These people have a spring, and so you just flip it over or get a new one and replace it. Just lift it up, slide it back in, boom, and liner lock, close it. That is such a good idea, very snappy. I like the red line on the other side, has a clip or a linear hold, so that's nice. Again, so easy to remove it, and I don't see how it would be in my way to where I'm going to open it by mistake. Most likely I'll be using cutting it, pushing it down. Auto bead driver. I love this little bead drivers all over my house. This one is kind of like for the electronics, change the batteries for the toys and things like that. You grab it and spin it forward the other way. This spins, so very comfortable. Need a different one. You know how kids comes up and say like, oh, my batteries, replace the batteries, daddy. So there's flathead, a whole bunch of them, and it's all stores away in here, so I have it all. A really nice option. There you go. Next torch, TA300. Let's see what this one is about. This one is very unique, like a tactical everyday carry flashlight. So you'd hold it this way and point it this way. So how does this work? It's on lock right now, so I can put on tack, light lights up, and then it lights up really bright, and if I press it all the way, it's flashing. Light press, flashing. Then if I twist it on one, it's a little flashlight. I can always access super bright at any point. It has this spotlight and a white light. Then I can do 2, still can access super bright, and 3 brightest and stay bright, and conserve the battery. I can do it on 1. I can hold it this way. It's comfortable to kind of hold the flashlight this way. Also, I guess I could hold it this way as well, kind of so that way I don't drop it. Also, if I put it on lock, it's such a good idea. This one spins, and I can remove the batteries. I can remove this. It has a really big batteries. Look at that, rechargeable and replaceable. So it's nice to have a spare. And now I can have a regular flashlight with the regular clip. That is such a cool idea. Next torch, T870. Check out this flashlight. So there's lock, duty, and tack. So that's it. We're gonna put it on duty, and the button is right here. Press it and press it to turn it off. Light click. We have a different brightness, and then press it. Adjust the brightness, and it has memory. And you can adjust it like this by light click. That is so cool. What about the tack? Ooh, the tack is like super bright, and press and hold will flash. That is cool. And of course on lock. How do we recharge it? Open this button, and there's a button under there, and the USB-C rechargeable. Super simple. This right here clip, and I like this removable. There's a little screw, so you can hold it and point it this way. I don't know. Hold it this way with the finger on. Very comfortable, so don't lose it. Or like this. Very nice, comfortable. Maybe even like this, but I don't know. Would I even use it this way, because the flash, the button is on this side. So for the most part, I'll be using it like this, kind of holding it up and using flashlight. I set it, boom. I guess I could turn it on, then I can ergo it and hold it like that. I really love it. Slim, triple battery, and put it on lock. Roxxon have been making some cool gadgets lately. This one is a really good utensil kit option. There's so many of them and only few of them is good. So there's a fork, spoon, and a butter knife, and it's quite sharp, so I could actually eat steak. It's kind of like a liner lock, so I can close it back up, and then the way you put it out, it's like magnetic. It's sliding into here and then lock it, and same thing on this side. Lock it up and it will hold it all together magnetically. Yep, and now it's not coming out. Leatherman Marca have come out with new colors. It's little scissors, keychain scissors. Check this out, multi-tool assisted. I like it. So there's finally new colors. What I do like the most about it is obviously knife, nail care, and most important, splinter remover, cold tweezers. Super nice, new colors. Check them out, guys. Boom. Little, perfect for keychain. Yep, Leatherman is a really good brand. Check out this shaver thing. So let's open it, and so you spin it and it opens, and then you drop the blade in, drop it in here, and ready to go. Close it back up. It's kind of like a vintage design, not a new design, but I love it. Remove it, close it back up. Such a good idea.